Welcome to the Make Money Building WordPress Websites online course. In this module, we'll go over WordPress basics and talk about what makes WordPress so special and how it fits in as the best content management system to build your web-based business or web design agency. Now, understand that a lot of you here will be very familiar with WordPress, but I'll still encourage you to go through each lesson and each video. I'll try to keep them short and to the point, but it will be good for a refresher, possibly one of those aha moments. What is WordPress and why is it special? Well, WordPress is a free and open source content management system, or what we call CMS, written in PHP and using the MySQL database platform primarily. WordPress took shape back in 2003, starting mainly as a blogging platform. It's currently used on more than 43% of all the websites on the internet, so that's around 455 million websites worldwide. WordPress is always listed among the top content management systems to build a personal website or a business website, as well as one of the easiest to learn. Now, as you become more familiar with WordPress, you'll see that one of the things that makes it so special is its flexibility to create many different types of websites. And once you launch a website using WordPress, it's easy to manage and maintain, which is a plus, since one person can manage many websites easily. WordPress has a huge community, and there are a lot of WordPress masters out there, so there's always a way to find help if you get stuck. In this course, we'll talk about where to get help on problems that you encounter in site development, as well as getting help with complex uses in building client websites. One of the top selling points for me is that WordPress has really focused on putting SEO at the top of the priority list. SEO, or search engine optimization, will play a huge role in the building of your business website and your clients' websites. For you, creating a business that can cater to that type of niche market is a huge opportunity, and WordPress is not going away anytime soon. Once you're able to master WordPress, it becomes very easy to replicate the process of setting up sites, customizing themes, and building client websites. Mastering WordPress should be a primary goal throughout the process of going through this video course. It's obvious that mastering any talent makes you an authority, and as that authority, you're going to be able to build a very strong business that can design, develop, host, maintain, and market any WordPress website on the planet. If you're completely new to WordPress, I'd recommend spending some time getting to learn the ins and outs before moving into Module 3 of this course. We've left some links down below where you can learn more about WordPress. Keep in mind that setting up your own WordPress site is much different than starting a website at WordPress.com. I'd recommend actually installing WordPress to a basic web hosting account so you can start to get familiar with how it all works. So there's a link to the most basic web hosting below where you can get set up and install and start playing with your own WordPress site. In the next video, we're going to talk about WordPress themes and what they are, and how to become very important to not get lost in the sea of custom themes. See you in that video.